Hey guys, Ernie here, and today we're taking a deep dive into AWE's 180 technology. Now, conventional wisdom may have you thinking that this is just your regular old muffler sitting in front of me, but it's not. This is actually one of AWE's 180 technology resonator chambers. So how exactly does this thing work? Well, first, let me give you AWE's explanation. As sound waves enter the resonator chamber through strategically located ports, by controlling the size and the location of these ports, as well as the size of the chamber, we control when the exhaust waves re-enter the ports to rejoin the exhaust gases. By controlling the re-entry timing, we ensure that problematic tones, which they really just mean drone, are met with a 180-degree out-of-phase frequency. This opposing frequency kills drone, leaving only the exhaust sounds that we want. Well, let's be honest here. Unless you're a music producer or a sound engineer, you're gonna have no idea what the hell a 180-degree out-of-phase frequency really means. But luckily for you guys, your good old buddy Ernie here actually used to be a tracking engineer. So I'm gonna dumb it down for you guys like somebody once did for me. You see, sound moves by displacing particles. This displacement leads to pressure changes, both positive and negative. And that's where the wave part comes from. So now, what is phase? Well, phase simply refers to a certain point or time within the wave. So here we can say the sound wave is young, it's a kid, it's happy, and here, sometime later, the sound wave is in its middle school emo phase. So now, what does AWE mean by 180 degrees out of phase frequency? You see, differences in phase between two sound waves is measured in degrees. So all that 180 degrees really means is that they're hitting this original drone frequency with a drone frequency of opposite phase, effectively canceling each other out. Now you see, this is a very, and I mean very precise science. And if you get the timing just slightly off, instead of canceling each other out, these two sound waves will simply combine and create a whole new problematic sound wave. I hope I was able to simplify that enough for you guys to easily digest it. And if you have a physics quiz tomorrow on sound, you're very welcome. Now this got me wondering, what car do we have that really suffers from drone that could really benefit from AWE's 180 technology?